What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding rationalizing the denominator. So we are talking about square roots and dividing square roots and how to rationalize the denominator. First example is 5 over 2 root 5. So what I can do, answer is, there are two methods. One of them, instead of 5, I can write root 5 times root 5 over 2 root 5. Root 5 and root 5 cancel out. It's going to be root 5 over 2. Or I can say 5 over 2 root 5 multiplied by root 5 divided by root 5. It's going to be 5 root 5. And here we have 2 times 5. 5 and 5 cancel out and it will be root 5 divided by 2. That's the same thing. Next example is negative 9 over 4 root 3. Answer is negative 9 over 4 root 3 multiplied by root 3 over root 3, which is going to be negative 9 root 3 over 4 times root 3 times root 3 is going to be just 3. And 9 and 3 cancel out and will end up being only 3. So negative 3 root 3 divided by 4. Next example, we have root 5 over 12. We want to rationalize it. How to rationalize it? Root 5 over 2 is the same as root 5 divided by root 12. And then when we simplify it, it will be 4 root 4 root 3. And then we can say is root 5 divided by 2 root 3. Then I can multiply it by root 3 divided by root 3. As I said, we need to multiply it by the square roots in the denominator. So that makes it root 15 divided by 2 times root 3 times root 3, which is going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. Another method you could do here, we have root 5 divided by root 12. You could multiply and divide it by root 12. Root 5 times root 12 is root 60. Root 12 times root 12 is going to be just 12. 60 is 4 times 15. Root 4 is 2. So 2 root 15 divided by 2, which is going to be root 15 divided by 6. Next example. It's going to be root 7 over 18. Answer is root 7 divided by 18 is 9 times 2, which is going to be square root of 9 times square root of 2, which is square root of 7 divided by 3 root 2. Multiply divided by root 2. So root 14 divided by 3 times 2, which is 6. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.